Jamaican Sunday dinner. I always break down the chicken myself. I get to save money and I always get to cut it and clean it the way I want to. After breaking down the chicken, I clean all of the parts, removing the things I don't want to eat, and then I give the chicken a good wash in lemon juice. I'm gonna fry the chicken, so I'm just using powdered seasonings to season it. You can do minced garlic or a little bit of blended seasoning if you want. And I'm also seasoning my flour with the same things. I always add a little bit of breadcrumbs to keep the coating very crispy. A lot of people love fried chicken with curry goat gravy, but I really love fried chicken gravy. And that was this.
Posso respirar enganamos. Posso respiramos. Vicente, que é representante Vicente. É na África. Yes, sir. So we take one into road project.
If he was for winter, girl, you wouldn't have to worry about a damn thing. If I was up in it, shit, I bet a pound that I put it down.